Hello. Okay, since I had to do some work out here, I found my springs for the headlight buckets, sandblast those. It made me think of just doing a quick video for this to explain something. I started putting this stuff together. I got the front, figured out where that stuff goes, blah, blah, blah. On these headlight buckets in the panel, if you didn't know, these buckets are all different and they're all lettered or numbered different. I'll show you right here. If you look, there's a C, a B, a D, and an A. And on these Trans Ams, the bright lights are the middle two, and that's easy to figure out. You go out and look at your wiring harness that I've just got laid out here. So it's running across the front of the car here. There's your inner 2-wire, outer 3-wire. So that's brights and then high-low on the outside. If you try to put these in, these can only go, these can go different places, but that means, I'll explain it here when I get there. I'll show you. So this one is an outside. This one is an inside. It will go in the same place. See, because there's the square hole for the adjusters and the top. But if you'll look, they're different in the corner. See that? So that takes a big lug. This is small. And on the back of headlights, there are big and small lugs. So like this one is let me get this over here. This is an outside. So if you look, see that little bitty nub there? There's 3 little nubs and there's 1 big nub. There's a little difference. It lines up here. And if you look, it seats. It kind of like it goes all the way to the bottom there. And oops, help if I put it upside down. It didn't. So see how the big one sits all the way in there? And over here, it goes all the way in. You can see it goes in right through. And it won't focus on it. But it's, yeah, you can. It's right there. So that is a low beam. If you were to switch, the only ones that you could switch would switch with a high beam, and it would be wrong. But you could put the bulb in. In other words, if you had those 2 switched right there, you could put the wrong bulb in the bracket, and the only difference would be the, let's see if I can get this one turned around here, would be that the lug sits on top of that. It doesn't go in it. And what that does, it kind of makes your bulb lean out a little. Now, I'm sure you could just stick it in there and it would adjust, but I think I had put together a couple of these cars before I ever even realized that, and I probably did the same thing. So that should help you out. I'll say it again. It was going across the front, left to right, C, B, D, A. Left to right across the front. Bright lights in the centers, inside, high and low on the outside. Hope it helps. I'm glad I finally figured it out.